Weekend classes at Marc Adams are great. They're a way to get kind of an introduction to the school, and it's a little bit more laid back, and yet you still get a chance to do some absolutely amazing things.
Weekend classes are great for techniques, learning a new technique, and getting a small project to hopefully be successfully completed.
It's a great way to get an introduction into the topic, to see if you're even interested in spending a week or even longer. And so, for example, I'm taking Intro to Pyrography this weekend, and it's just a skill that I wanted to know if I was interested in.
I live in Indiana, and it's actually relatively easy for me to get here on the weekend. I'm a working professional still, so it's a way for me to squeeze in some classes even around my work schedule. But I've also found it's been very valuable because I can take my children to weekend classes because they might be in school after summer. So it's been a place where we've really found some good family bonding.
If you're spending a week, it's a great way to get a little extra mileage out of your trip by, on the front end or the back end, or maybe both, taking a weekend course that you might not be able to work in a full week.
There's a lot of really good reasons to do it. If you have a full-time job, if you have to travel a long distance, financially, taking a weekend class, you get a lot of in-depth one-on-one instruction with the instructors.
I invite everyone to come down for weekend classes. It's also a much smaller investment in time as well.
It's a big bang for the buck.